Morning boys, today we are going to see the continuation of exercise 3.6, problem number 10. Prove that sin theta by 2 sin 7 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2 sin 11 theta by 2 equal to sin 2 theta and sin 5 theta. So here I am going to prove LHS equal to RHS. For that I am going to use the identities product and sum and product. Already we are well aware of these identities. In previous classes we have learnt these identities, how to use these identities, all those things we have learnt already. So here we are going to use these identities whenever we required in the steps, and we can prove the problems. Okay, now look at this left hand side. I am going to take LHS side. Sin theta by 2, sin 7 theta by 2. If you see this, you can identify it is a form of sin A, sin B. It's a product to sum identity. Sin A, sin B. Sin A, sin B can be written as minus 1 by 2 cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So here we have another way, plus 1 by 2 cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B also we can write. Here I am taking minus 1 by 2. We have another form of formula we have for this alone. So here I am going to take this identity, minus 1 by 2 cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So minus 1 by 2 cos of A plus B is theta by 2 plus 7 theta by 2 minus cos of A minus B theta by 2 minus 7 theta by 2 plus here also we can have sin A sin B formula. It is formula is minus 1 by 2. So I am going to take minus 1 by 2 into cos of 3 theta by 2 plus 11 theta by 2 minus cos of 3 theta by 2 minus 11 theta by 2. So here minus 1 by 2 cos, common denominator, so add the numerators, 8 theta by 2. If I cancel 8 theta by 2, it is 4 theta. Directly we can do it. We don't need to have so many steps here, because it's very easy to simplify this bracket, because both are common denominators. So common denominators 2, numerator, add the numerator, theta plus 7 theta, 8 theta by 2 is 4 theta minus theta minus 7 theta, it's minus 6 theta by 2, it is minus 3 theta minus 1 by 2 cos 3 theta plus 11 theta, it's 14 theta by 2 is 7 theta minus 3 theta minus 11 theta is minus 8 theta by 2 is cos of minus 4 theta. So here minus 1 by 2, I am taking commonly outside minus, because we have in these two terms we have minus 1 by 2, it's common. So I am taking commonly minus 1 by 2 outside. It is cos 4 theta minus, I told you already, we have studied from the beginning, cos of minus x always cos x, even function. So when you have negative argument in the cos, it will be positive. So cos of minus 3 theta always cos theta, cos 3 theta. Then minus 1 by 2 came out here, plus cos 7 theta. Here cos of minus 4 theta will be cos 4 theta. So minus is here, so cos minus 4 theta will become positive. So after that we have a cancellation, minus 4 theta and plus 4 theta. So remaining we have minus 1 by 2 into cos 7 theta minus cos 3 theta. Here I am going to use sum to product identity. This is C, this is D. What is cos C minus cos D? Cos C minus cos D can be written as minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Another formula for this one, plus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2 also there. So here I'm going to take this format. So here minus 1 by 2 as it is. So sin C minus D formula I'm going to take minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. 7 theta plus 3 theta is 10 theta by 2 is 5 theta. Then into sin C minus D by 2. C minus 7 theta minus 3 theta 4 theta by 2 is 2 theta. Minus minus cancel, 2 cancel. Finally I'm getting sin 2 theta into sin 5 theta, which is RHS side, hence proved. So problem number 10 is over. Next problem number 11. Problem number 11 is prove that cos of 30 degree minus A cos of 30 degree plus A plus cos of 45 degree minus A cos of 45 degree plus A equal to cos 2A plus 1 by 4. So here I am going to take LHS side and prove RHS side, LHS side. So here also I am going to use the formula cos the product to sum formula, because this I am going to consider as A, this bracket I am going to consider as B. The same formula we can use here. This is A, this is B. So cos A cos B formula is 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So 1 by 2 cos A plus B is 30 minus A plus 30 plus A plus cos A minus B, cos 30 minus A minus of, directly I am applying minus inside the bracket. So in the B minus 30 minus A, then plus 1 by 2, the same formula we can use here also. Here A is 45 minus A, B is 45 plus A. So here also 1 by 2 cos A plus B. What is 45 minus A plus 45 plus A plus cos of A minus B is 45 minus A. Just directly multiply minus inside the B. It's minus 45 minus A. So after expressing the identity, we can have a simple simplification. 1 by 2 minus A plus A will be cancelled. 30 plus 30 cos 60 plus here plus 30 minus 30 will be cancelled. Cos of minus A minus 2A, don't forget it, plus 1 by 2 into, here we have a cancellation, minus A plus A, 45 plus 45 is cos 90 degree, plus here we have a cancellation, minus 45 plus 45 minus 2A. Now 1 by 2 we can take commonly outside. 1 by 2 I am taking commonly outside. Here cos 60 value is 1 by 2 plus cos of minus theta, always cos theta, so positive, it will become positive. So cos 2A plus cos 90 value is 0 plus cos of minus 2A cos 2A. Multiply inside. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus, here we have cos 2a plus cos 2a, 2 cos 2a. So 2 cos 2a by 2. If I cancel it, I will get 1 by 4 plus cos 2a, which is RHS side. Hence, proved. So these are the problems which are used by the product to sum and sum to product identities. Without these identities, we can't able to solve this problem. So the identities are very important. So please memorize all the identities and keep it your fingertips to solve the problems very quickly. So next problem number 12. Problem number 12, prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x whole divided by cos x plus cos 3x plus cos 5x plus cos 7x equal to tan 4x. So it's also this problem also we are going to use the identities. Here I'm going to consider this is this is C, this is D. The formula sin C plus sin D formula is sin C plus sin D, 2 into sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So here LHS side I am going to use this formula 2 into sin C plus D by 2, C plus D, x plus 3x is 4x by 2, it's 2x, into cos C minus D by C minus D by 2, C minus D, x minus 3x minus 2x by 2, it is minus x, plus your same formula sin C plus sin D, also 2 into cos C plus D by 2, 5 plus 7 it is 12x by 2 is 6x into cos, sorry it is sin 6x cos C minus D, it is 5x minus 7x is minus 2x by 2 is minus x. This is numerator, and denominator here it is C, it is D. So here cos C plus cos D formula, cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So 2 cos C plus D, x plus 4x by 2, it's 2x. Then cos C minus D by 2, cos C minus D by x minus 3x is minus 2x by 2 is minus x. Then plus the same formula here 2 cos C plus D by 2 is 12x by 2 is 6x. Then cos 5 minus is a minus 2x by 2 is minus x. So here we have a cancellations. Here this and this cancelled, this and this cancelled. Remaining we have 2 we can cancel it. So okay, we can take a 2 commonly outside. 2 we can cancel, 2 we can cancel it. Otherwise, if you have confusions, we can take 2 commonly outside. Two take commonly outside in the numerator. Sin 2x, sin 6x. So better we can write first bigger value in the form in the place of first term. smaller value in the second term. By here 2 take commonly outside, cos 6x plus cos 2x. So here we can have a cancellation in 2. Next we have a sum to product identity, sum sin C plus sin D. C, this is D. 2 into sin C plus sin D formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So sin 2 cos sin C plus D by 2, 6x plus 2x is 8x by 2 is 4x into cos C minus D. 6x minus 2x is 4x by 2 is 2x whole divided by here cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus x, C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So it is 2 cos C plus D is 6 plus 2, 8x by 2 is 4x, then cos C minus D is 4 by 2 is 2. So here we have cancellation, 2 cancel, cos 4x by sin 4x by cos 4x can be written as tan 4x, which is RHS side. So hence proved. So problem number 12 over. Next problem number 13. Prove that sin 4a minus 2b plus sin 4b minus 2a divided by cos 4a minus 2b plus cos 4b minus 2a equal to tan of a plus b. So here also we are going to use the sum to product identity. Here first sin 4a minus 2a I am going to consider C, this is D. Same like that, here C, this is D, this bracket D. Okay, sin C plus sin D formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So here LHS side 2 sin C plus D by 2. What is C? 4a plus 2b plus 4b minus 2a by 2 into cos C minus D. 4a minus 2b minus 4b plus 2a whole divided by 2 divided by the denominator cos C plus cos D formula is cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So 2 cos 4a minus 2b plus 4b minus 2a divided by 2 into cos C minus D 4a minus 2b minus 4b plus 2a by 2. Look at this bracket and this bracket, the angle values same. So we can have a cancellation here, this and this will be cancelled. Here 2 will be cancelled. Sin, see this bracket and this bracket both are same. So it is like sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta, no? Sin theta by cos theta will be written as tan theta. So tan theta, here theta is this bracket. So this both are same, that's why I am taking tan. Sin by cos, we can take tan, both common, both are common theta, so the common values, so we consider any one, this value as theta. So 4a minus 2 minus 4a minus 2a is 2a, 4b minus 2b is plus 2b by 2. I have to bring the answer tan of a plus b, so I am going to take 2 commonly outside from the numerator, then we have a cancellation, then we will get tan of a plus b, which is right hand side. Hence proved. Problem number 14, show that cot of a plus 15 minus tan of a minus 15 equal to 4 cos 2a by 1 plus 2 sin 2a. So here I am going to take LHS side. Look at LHS side, it is given like cot and given in the cot and tan ratios. Here we do not have any formulas related with the cot and tan. So I cannot take the LHS directly. I am not going to use any formula here. First thing I am going to change, I am going to convert cot and tan into sin and cos format. Then only we can have a formulas here. So because of that, here cot of a plus b can be written as LHS side, cot of a plus b can be written as cos of a plus b by sin of a plus 15. Here cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, as well as tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. It is sin of a minus 15 by cos of a minus 15. Okay, now I am going to take LHS the denominator. If you take LHS, I am going to take LCM. LCM for the denominator is multiplication of these two denominators, sin of a plus 15 into cos of a minus 15. Just cross multiplication. After taking denominator common, just cross multiplication. It is cos of a plus 15 degree into cos of a minus 15 degree. Here some of you make a mistake. Cos of a plus 15 into cos of a minus 15. Some of you will make a mistake. Cos square of a plus 15 they will write. They used to write like that, because that is wrong, because the bracket, look at this, theta value is different. Cos theta into cos theta, only cos square theta. Cos theta into cos 2 theta is not cos square, will not come. We cannot multiply these two because arguments are different, not same angle. They are not same angle. When you have a same angle only, we can multiply, we can have a square. When you have a different angle, arguments are, will not be multiplied, just will not be squaring, just leave like that. Okay, so minus, here cross multiplication, sin of a plus 15 into sin of a minus 15. So after that, here I am going to consider this is cos A, cos B, this is sin A, sin B formula, product to sum, cos A, cos B. First one is 1 by 2 cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So 1 by 2 cos of A plus B. A plus B is A plus 15 plus A minus 15 plus cos of A minus B. A plus 15 minus A plus 15. This is for first term expansion. Next is sin A, sin B. Here sin A, sin B is minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus cos A minus B minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B, A plus 15 plus A minus 15 minus cos of A minus B, A plus 15 minus A plus 15 whole divided by, this is sin A cos B formula, sin A cos B formula, first one 1 by 2 cos A plus, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, 1 by 2 sin A plus B is A plus 15 plus A minus 15 plus sin A minus B, A plus 15 minus A plus 15. So after expressing to the formula, we will have a simplification. Here 15 minus 15 cancel, here minus A plus A cancel, here 15 minus 15 cancel, here plus A minus A cancel, here minus 15 plus 15 cancel, here minus A plus A cancel. So remaining 1 by 2, here cos 2A plus cos 15 plus 15 cos 30, cos 30 minus 1 by 2 cos 2A, then minus cos 30 whole divided by 1 by 2 sin 2A plus sin 30. Now here I am going to take 1 by 2 commonly outside. Before that we had a mistake here. Actually here formula is minus 1 by 2 we have to come. Here minus 1 by 2 have to come. Already we have minus in the question, so it will become plus. Change here it's a plus, because in the formula we have minus 1 by 2. Already in the question we have in the middle we have minus symbol, so it will become a plus. So it is a plus 1 by 2. So if I take commonly outside 1 by 2 cos 2A plus cos 30 degree plus cos 2A minus cos 30 degree whole divided by 1 by 2. Here we have a sin 2A plus sin 30 degree. Next, bring this your cos 30 minus cos 30 will be cancelled. Cos 2A plus cos 2A, 2 cos 2A with multiply with 1 by 2, you will get 2 cos 2A by 2. Sorry, wait a second. Here we can directly cancel this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So cos 2A is 2 cos 2A divided by, here cos 2A, sin 2A plus sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Take LCM, 2 cos 2A numerator as it is. If you cross multiply, it will be 2 sine 2a plus 1 by 2. Take this denominator to the numerator. It will be multiply with 4 cos 2a by 1 plus 2 sine 2a, which is right hand side answer. So hence proved. So by this we can complete exercise 3.6. So once again I just tell you to memorize all these identities. Without these identities we cannot able to solve any problems in 3.6 exercise. Including the identities will be help you to learn the further exercises, mainly 3.7. So we will finish the class today. We will see the remaining problems, I mean next exercise in the next class. Thank you.